System 1 loaded.
Kulit mo, nasan ba yung tubo?
Hi mga ka-chubs! Welcome back to our channel!
So ngayong araw na to, dito sa vlog na to, ay makikita nyo ang daily routine ni Ichad. So sasamahan natin siya ngayong araw para sa kanyang daily routine going to work.
So mga ka-chubs, tara! Samahan niyo ako!
Tara na!
Guys, welcome back to our channel. Yan. Samahan niyo ako guys. Ituturo ko sa inyo kung saan ako nagtatrabaho. Hello guys! Yan, nandito na ako sa bus stop. Nakantay na yung kalit, parating na siya.
A few moments later.
Guys, nandito na yung kalit guys! Here we go! Hello guys! Yan, nandito na kayo sa kalit. Nagulat yung driver. Sinakay ako sa kabilang sasakyan. Ayan, pabalik na kami, papasok na kami ng trabaho. Si Ino, tsaka si Raul. Hi guys. Sa likod, tunog. Guys, ito, dito na tayo sa store. Nike Sun and Sun Factory Outlet, Alcus. Ayan, alright. So guys, pasok na tayo sa loob. Ito na entrance. Check tayo ng temperature. Brother, show me how much my temperature. 35.8. Alright. Alright. One more. Alright. Okay. Dito na tayo guys. Paring Rodel, alright yo. Alright. Bibidyo muna tayo pre. Paring Rodel, malupit yan. Malupit yan, alright. Pre. Ito na guys, ikot natin konti. Ikot tayo. Ito ang footwear. Ayan ang footwear men's. Okay. Tapos ito ang women's.
Ay! Putang ina mo, ginagawa mo.
Paring Elmer, busy. Alright. Sino mas may ako, pre? Sige, pre, sample na natin tayo.
Ang magmahal ng ganito, kung sino pang pinili ko, hindi makuha ng buo.
Hi guys, again we are here. This is Nixon
Yeah, man.
and this is Salim. Alright. I have a question
Yes.
to all of you.
Yeah, of course.
It's little bit fun, but it's serious. In our store, what is your favorite sex? Ooh. What is your favorite sex? Section, Suhada. What is your favorite section?
Section. Colombia.
Huh? You, Colombia?
Yeah.
Ay,
Under
wow.
Armour.
Under Armour, the
Protect
number
this
one.
house, you know what I'm saying?
Alright. Alright, Kevin is there. Alright. Rito, tatanong lang ako sa'yo. We have a question for you. Guys, you can question about him.
In this store,
What's your
which
section?
is your favorite section?
Section?
Yeah.
Of course, my
Suhada, wrong question. What is your favorite sex?
position.
Alright! Guys, break time muna tayo ngayon. Kakain muna tayo. Pagkain natin ay rice. Check. And then syempre, hindi mawala ang Pinoy food. Ang adobong baboy. Guys, kain muna tayo. Samahan niyo akong kumain. Alright guys, we are here! Alright! Zara, how are you?
I'm okay, I'm good.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kenya.
Alright!
The city of banana.
How big is it?
Show us, show to us!
It depends. Yung camera mo yung Hindi.
Hi guys! We are here outside!
Yeah, man.
Alright!
Right, really,
This is
really.
Nixon!
Yeah, of course, bro.
Alright!
Cheers, man.
Krishna! And then Raul! Alright!
Time pass, time.
Time pass outside! Hello guys, pauwi na kami. Yan na sila.
Since morning, man.
Alright. Yan guys, ito na. Pauwi na tayo. Ang lamig, nadilim. Ang lamig sa daan. Kailangan bukas mag-jacket na. Malapit na sa building. Bye muna. So, nandito na tayo sa bahay mga ka-chubs. Kaya safe tayo nakauwi. Sana nagustuhan yung vlog na ito. Kaya mga ka-chubs, just subscribe, like, comment, and share. And click the bell for more videos.
Bakit ka ganyan nasawa mo?
Kapag lagi abutin ko.
Wala tayong ulam. Okay lang.
Sasayaw.